In the years leading up to World War I, Europe was a continent teetering on the edge of a precipice. A complex web of alliances and historical animosities set the stage for a catastrophic conflict that would engulf the world. In this article, we explore the alliances and enmities that shaped the geopolitical landscape of Europe in the years prior to World War I. Alliances and Ententes. Triple Entente. The Triple Entente was a loose alliance formed between three major European powers: France, Russia, and Britain. It emerged in the early 20th century as a response to the growing threat posed by the Triple Alliance, and it aimed to counterbalance the power of Germany and Austria-Hungary. France and Russia. The Franco-Russian Alliance, signed in 1892, created a military partnership between France and Russia. It was motivated by a common fear of German aggression and was renewed in 1904, solidifying the Entente Cordiale. France and Britain. The Entente Cordiale, signed in 1904, settled long-standing colonial disputes between France and Britain. Although not a formal military alliance, it laid the foundation for future cooperation in times of crisis. Russia and Britain. The Anglo-Russian Entente, established in 1907, aimed to address colonial rivalries in Asia and Central Asia between Russia and Britain. Triple Alliance. The Triple Alliance, also known as the Central Powers, was formed in the late 19th century and included Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. It was primarily a defensive alliance, seeking to protect the signatories from potential threats posed by other European powers. Germany and Austria-Hungary. The Dual Alliance, signed in 1879, cemented the alliance between Germany and Austria-Hungary. It obligated each country to support the other if attacked by Russia or if Russia supported another power against them. Italy and Germany. Austria-Hungary. Italy initially joined the Triple Alliance in 1882 but later declared neutrality when the war broke out in 1914, as it felt that its allies had violated the terms of the alliance. Historical animosities and enmities. Franco-German rivalry. The Franco-German rivalry was rooted in historical animosities and territorial disputes. France sought to regain the provinces of Alsace and Lorraine, which were annexed by Germany after the Franco-Prussian War of 1870 to 1871. This desire for revenge fueled tensions between the two countries and contributed to a hostile atmosphere in Europe. Austro-Russian tensions in the Balkans. The Balkans became a powder keg of nationalist aspirations and territorial ambitions. Russia, as the protector of Slavic populations in the region, and Austria-Hungary, with its significant Slavic minorities, found themselves in direct competition for influence in the Balkans. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary in Sarajevo, Bosnia, in 1914, ignited the spark that led to the outbreak of World War I. Europe on the eve of World War I was a continent brimming with complex alliances and historical enmities. The Triple Entente and the Triple Alliance pitted major powers against each other, while long-standing rivalries and territorial disputes further fueled tensions. The stage was set for a catastrophic conflict that would change the course of history and leave a lasting impact on the world. The lessons learned from the alliances and enmities that preceded World War I continue to serve as a reminder of the dangers of unchecked nationalism and the importance of fostering international